This is our final video for Unit 7 on multiplying binomials by polynomials. Now, we're going to do some area problems here. Just remember, an area of a rectangle is found by taking the length times the width. So as we see, we have x squared times x third. Well, that's a review from Unit 6 where we have to use this exponent property. When we have the same base, we have to add our exponents to get to 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. X to the 5th was this answer. So here, when we're finding the area of this, we're still taking the length times the width, but we have to make a multiplication problem that looks like this. 6h plus 2 times 2h plus 5. We would call this the FOIL method when I was in school. You would take the first ones plus, you would then add the outside ones. Then you'd take the inside ones, add those, or multiply those together, and then we'd take the last ones in each. That's FOIL method. Just remember, it's just distributive property. Take the first one by both of the ones in the second, and we take the second one by both of the ones in the second one as well. So we're going to have, when we multiply this out, 6h times 2h. Well, that's 12h squared. You can add your exponents. 6h times 5, we get 30h. Now we move to the 2 here. We got the 2 times the 2h, that's 4h. Then we got the 2 times the 5, so that's 10. Last thing we have to do is combine like terms. So we see we have this 30h and the 4h there. I'm going to combine them to get 12h squared. 30 plus 4 is 34. 34h, and then plus 10. And there we have it for this answer. We have a square here. Now just remember, a square, if we want to find the area, the sides are the same. So if you choose, just go ahead and write 2x minus 3y as well. Now if you don't, keep in mind, since it's a square, our problem's literally going to be a squared term like this, because they're the same. Just know that what that is means 2x minus 3y times 2x minus 3y, okay? And then we do the same thing. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3y, that's negative 6xy. We move to our 3y. 3y times 2x, that's another negative 6xy. And then negative 3y times negative 3y, that's positive 9y squared. And then we combine like terms. We have like terms right here. So my final answer is 4x squared. Negative 6 minus another 6, that's negative 12. Negative 12xy, we don't change those exponents here, and then plus 9y squared. Lastly, we have our binomial times a trinomial here. It's still length times width. We take 7k minus 8, and we're multiplying it by 2k squared minus 4k minus 5. Same rules apply, guys. We still take the 7k times everything over on the other side, and we also take the negative 8 times everything on the other side. Okay, so 7k times 2k squared. So that's 14k to the third, okay? Don't forget to add those exponents. 7k times negative 4k, that's negative 28k squared. 7k times negative 5. Moving on to the negative 8. Negative 8 times 2k squared is negative 16k squared. Negative 8 times negative 4k, positive 32k. And then finally, negative 8 times negative 5, that's positive 40. Okay, we got some like terms here. We have a lot to combine. This one, the k squareds combine, and then your k terms combine to get 14k to the third, because that's gone. K squared terms combine together to get negative 44k squared. Our k terms combine to get negative 3k. Again, you're just combining like terms there, plus 40. And that is our polynomial that we have here. All right, there you have it. That's multiplying binomials by polynomials. Guys, have a good day.